In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an account with Relevance AI. Let's dive right into the process, which is straightforward and will help you become part of the exciting AI workforce community. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Relevance AI's homepage. Simply head over to relevanceai.com and you'll land on their platform designed for building AI solutions for businesses. Once you're on the website, look towards the top corner of the page, where you will see the Sign Up button. Click on it to begin setting up your new account. This will take you to the Sign Up page, where you have a few options to consider. Here, Relevance AI offers you the flexibility to choose how you wish to sign up. You can either use your existing Google or Microsoft account for a seamless sign-in experience, or if you prefer, you can opt for the traditional email and password method. Select the method that best suits you. After making your choice, click on the Continue button. This action will lead you to the next step, particularly if you've opted for the email and password route. You'll need to enter your name, email address, and a secure password to establish your account. Remember to choose a strong password to help keep your account secure. With your details entered, it's time to click on Continue again. You should now head over to your email inbox. Relevance AI will have sent you an email containing a verification link. Look for this message, and once you find it, open the email and click on the contained link. This step is crucial as it verifies your email address and activates your account with Relevance AI. Upon successful verification, log back into Relevance AI. At this point, you'll be prompted to complete your profile setup. It's a straightforward process where you'll need to fill in details such as your workspace name and perhaps some team information. This helps tailor your experience and gets your workspace ready for future use. After you've completed the profile setup, you will automatically be redirected to your Relevance AI dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can start building AI agents and explore all the tools and features Relevance AI has to offer. Your journey into building efficient AI solutions for your projects has officially begun. And there you have it. Creating an account with Relevance AI is both simple and secure. We hope you enjoy exploring the platform and making the most out of its features. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to follow us for more tips and tutorials. Happy innovating with AI!